Torrential slide is a cryptographic money that has been causing disturbances in the computerized cash world. Its one-of-a-kind calculation and quick exchange speed have made it quite possibly of the most well-known computerized money out there. Many individuals are thinking about what's in store for torrential slide and whether its cost will keep on rising. In this video, we will investigate what torrential slide is, what crypto specialists consider it, and, obviously, show our Avax coin cost expectation. Kindly recollect that our cost forecasts don't comprise speculation exhortation. Consistently do your own exploration prior to purchasing Avax or other cryptographic forms of money. Our ongoing Avax to USD cost update shows the ongoing torrential slide cost is $14.06 USD. According to our torrential slide cost forecast, Avax cost is supposed to have a 1.99% diminishing and drop as low as by June 2, 2023. Our specialized pointers signal about the negative bullish 0% market opinion on torrential slide, while the trepidation and eagerness record is showing a score of 51. Over the most recent 30 days, torrential slide has had 13 30th green days and 6.20% cost instability. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of torrential slide is $14.08, and Avax is as of now position No. 16 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of torrential slide is $4,844,979,495.85, with a market cap of $344,001,059 Avax. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 49 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Avax has been in a decent vertical pattern, hence expanding by 0.65%. Torrential slide has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Avax has expanded by 16.91%, adding a gigantic typical measure of $2.38 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing. Torrential slide value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of torrential slide costs expected in 2023, the base expense of torrential slide will be $11.68. The greatest level that the Avax cost can reach is $14.59. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $17.50. Possible return on initial capital investment 3.4% Avax value figure for June 2023 in light of the value variances of torrential slide toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Avax pace of $13.01 in June 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $11.68 and at $14.34. Separately, likely return for money invested 1.6% July 2023. Torrential slide value estimate. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the Avax cost in July 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $12.02, while the greatest could reach $17.30 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of torrential slide may be around $14.66. Expected return for capital invested 22.6% Avax value gauge for August 2023. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value variances of torrential slide in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Avax rate they anticipate may be around $16.54 in August 2023. It can drop to $15.60 as a base. The greatest worth may be $17.47. Possible return for capital invested 23.8% September 2023. Torrential slide value gauge around mid-year 2023. The Avax cost will be exchanged at $16.56 by and large. September 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the torrential slide worth to $17.50. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $15.62 in September 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment 24% Avax value conjecture for October 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down torrential slide costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to October 2023, $14.08. The most reduced and top Avax rates may be $11.84 and $16.32. Likely return for money invested 15.7% November 2023. Torrential slide value figure. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, The AVAX cost will be around $14.38. In November 2023, the torrential slide cost might drop to at least $12.65. The normal pinnacle worth may be $16.11 in November 2023. Likely return for money invested. 14.2% AVAX value conjecture for December 2023 having broke down torrential slide costs. Digital currency specialists expect that the AVAX rate could arrive at a limit of $16.49 in December 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $12.81. For December 2023, the anticipated normal of torrential slide is almost $14.65. Possible return for money invested. 16.9% January 2024. Torrential slide value gauge around mid-2023. The torrential slide cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $15.97. Crypto experts expect that in January 2024, the AVAX cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $15.49 and $16.45. Expected return on initial capital investment. 16.6% torrential slide value forecast 2024 after the examination of the costs of torrential slide in earlier years. It is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of torrential slide will be around $25.71. The most extreme expected AVAX cost might be around $31.56. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $26.46 in 2024. Torrential slide value expectation 2025 in view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of torrential slide. In 2025, AVAX is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $37.12 and $44.61. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $38.44. Torrential slide value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of torrential slide and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base AVAX cost could drop to $53.38, while its most extreme can reach $64.56. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $55.30. Torrential slide value forecast 2027 in light of the examination of the expenses of torrential slide by crypto specialists. The accompanying greatest and least AVAX costs are normal in 2027, $93.81 and $76.05. Overall, it will be exchanged at $78.82. Torrential slide value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of torrential slide. In light of their forecasts, the